behind every mentally ill woman is a cat following her to the bathroom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You need to put this on a poster. You know how like
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help.
This one started like charging towards me. Whoa.
Oh my god!
Alright. That's pretty good. The last note, we didn't even get the last battle. Give her a round of applause.
Want a treat?
Ya son las 8 de la mañana y ponte a hacer algo, ponte a limpiar, a trapear, a cocinar, a lavar los baños. Anoche en el puto teléfono y ahorita no te quieres levantar. Ya, levántate. Levántate.
Hey. Oh, don't bite me. Oh, you...
That time my cat kissed a mouse and left it so confused, yearning for love.
Nothing coming out there, dumbass.
Hey.
Private stink pot, report for duty.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche, los antiguos dioses invocados.
Someone's gonna... Good job. Kevin, what are you doing?
Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had? I know. It's crazy.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, because I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I gotta...
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Rahman Rahim. Sister Lulu becoming a hijabi. MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
What do you have, huh? What makes that much noise? Oh my god, is it stuck in your mouth?
Oh!
I'm really just curious how you got yourself in there in the first place, and now how I am going to get you out.
Peek at the cat.
Cuddling dad. Cuddling mom. Cuddling pizza. You gonna have it. Didn't I just tell you no? No.
No. Don't thump your tail at me. If you didn't fight it.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's the very
Toby. He's awesome. Toby. Come on, you little No.
Don't do it.
Oh my God.
Apple. That's my thumb.
You don't choose your cat chooses you. And oh my god. Dude, you good?
Well, buddy, it's coming a heck storm out there, huh? Oh my goodness. Whoa, buddy, that sounded well. It actually feels really good. He loves the rain.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt your afternoon squirrel patrol. I need to ask you a quick question. How does it feel to be deemed inherently aggressive? Can't be trusted around children, can't be trusted around other dogs, not allowed certain public places. All because of the way that you look. Care to offer a comment?
Oh, friendly boy. Oh, so friendly and not intimidating at all. Oh, what a friendly boy. Oh.
It's like camouflage. You guys have the same exact hair color.
Great. That's wonderful.
Almost the same years.
Wow, Dad, you could use it as a wig.
Yeah, sure. One for the tail. I probably could.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fry.
What are you guys doing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. What are they doing here? Why did you bring them?
You're not dead. Get in the cage. Bro, I see you looking, bro.
who receives the evidence and then analyzes it in some way, chemically, with a microscope, whatever. That is forensic science. And then you need to decide, okay, well, do I want to do the biology stuff? Do I want to do the chemistry stuff? Do I want to do some of the more technical things like fingerprinting?
I'm not Mama. Mama's over there. Hi there, little guy. You're teeny tiny. Here, look at you next to my coffee cup so we can see how little you are. You are teeny tiny.
I'm talking to my friends. Mama, quit bothering me.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you have time to talk about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? Hey, don't run from the Lord. Where are you going?
¿Qué haces?
Oh my god, I can't get it, guys.
Good morning, buddy. It is 6:45 in the morning. And Hamlet is awake. And I am not.
Hey, Toby. Is there any way that... Jesus Christ. I just wanted to know if I can have some of that. That's fine if you don't want to share. That's fine. Just a little bit.
Bro, I didn't even do nothing, bro. I didn't even do anything. It's just right now. Ah! My leg.
People been looking at me. I'm just like, what you looking at, stranger?
Look at him! Ew! Look at you.
Hi. Hi. So I opened the door, and the bitch came out. She was like, "No one gets away right now!"
Steph.
Hey!
Yo, Peanuts, my gold.
Good night, Elon. Good night, Elon. I knew it. Go to your room.
Are you okay? Can I come closer? Hi. Oh my god, hi. You look like him.
I'm under the water. Please help me.
Dame la DJ. Dame la DJ.
There he goes. Do you see this right now?
Oh my god. Okay, okay.
Is that a pug? Are you a pug? Are you pug? Or are you baka? Baka baka baka.
It is bedtime. Let's go. I can't do this. First thing in the morning right before school. Are you kidding me? Meow 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 meow.
Playing a game of whack here. Whack.
Give me your butt. Give me your butt.
She got a piece of tape stuck on her leg.
Mamá huevo. Digo, blu, 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 blu.
Chucky, no! No! Chucky, please, no!
Estamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso? Where are you? I'm over here.
No, Nom is back.
Uphill castles are win. That's smackle.
Murphy. What'd you do, Murphy? Oh, no.
Maple, look. No, look over here. Look over here. Maple, look over here. Maple, look here. Here, Maple, here. Forget it.
Hi, handsome. Would you like a treat?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't.
Ollie, look at me. What are you doing?
Ooh, is it carrot night? Ooh, girl, get you them carrots. It's been a long time.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
So my name is Bella Hadid.
What are you guys doing in there?
Olha o que ela fez, velho.
Woof. 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 Woof.
I want you to show all the kids how you eat your broccoli. Oh.
I'm really sorry, okay? What is wrong with you? Why are you blue?
No. I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than the around the house.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you.
Hola.
No. Ooh. Yeah, that's the one.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Who was it? Don't.
It's hard being a cat like us, right, guys? Meow money, meow problems. Okay. I just wanted a drink of water. Jeez.
Perfect, Paul. This is great. Thank you for this.
No, we're done. You're being bad. Okay? Yeah, Coco's being bad.
Leia, what are you doing with that dental chew? Leia, do you like the dental chew?
Wait. Go. No. Take it away.
Hey, let me go too. Let me hold on. Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Okay, calm down. That's enough.
Oh, shit.
Give him spikes of business.
Din din, kitties.
Kitties? Din din?
How long is this going to take?
Oh, lovely. Do you want some?
I need to put this duck on you, okay?
Oh. No. Leave. Leave. Rocky.
Did you put your head in my coffee? Did you?
Is she still asleep?
Can someone remind Tanner that he is a ferret and not a dog?
Okay. What are we doing? Okay. Okay.
Can I help you? You got a biscuit. So there's 5 for £1. You can have 1 for free. Here you go.
Go.
Oh, hi, Porter. Hi.
Who's that?
I want to run free. Let me out. Let me free. Let me free. Okay, I'm going home. Bye.
Oh, it's my God! I can't tell if it's okay. Oh,
Nah.
is that burping?
Yes. What's wrong with you, boy?
Oh, hey.
Look at my legs. Okay, ow.
Now.
Breakfast.
Hand me, pet your belly.
No, it's gonna
What in the shit is going on, dude?
Martin. Martin.
Ow!
Want treat?
Hey kids, can I get a who? Oh, thank you.
Can I ask your dog something? Yeah. Can I get an ow ow?
Get set, go. What?
Thank.
No, 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 no.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
That's so funny.
Kitana wins. Flawless victory.
La la.
Hello!
Are you sure you don't have one?
Just caught another big ass mammoth. They're spitting at me right now. Oh my god. Look at it. It's a live squid. You got it.
Sharon, are you seeing this? I finally I finally got it after all these years. Okay, hey John, check it out.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy.
We'll swap.
Around the world, around the world.
Crazy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What's this? Okay, I like it. Picasso.
It's Jesus duck. He's standing on the water, dude. It's Jesus duck. Holy.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
I was going to take care of you, and I was going to after, so definitely.
A few moments later.
Come here.
Wait, did you fart? You farted.
I don't want to hear more. That's for sure. It's hard, but at the same time, it actually helped me. Like if I was...
Look at this. I just have this little guy that sits in my living room and stares at me.
Hey, you want a bite?
If you're happy and you know it, say I will. If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
Guys, my dogs are so cute. Look, they're just chilling in here. They're adorable. I'm just gonna shut the door so that way they have some privacy in there.
Yummy? You're not getting my sausage. Oh.
You right there, mate? Hey?
Mariconcito.
There you go, Bailey. You can't fit, sir. I know.
元宝。
Where'd you go? Shaking? Shaking, bacon? Uh-oh.
Кушать.
Yes. Good girl.
Вот ему нравится ему в тазике сидеть. Да, он тут играется, у него тут вот игрушки вот такие вот. Сейчас мама достанет их. Все, отвернись, да, молодец. Не связывайся с дурочкой. Тоже отвернулась. Гордая.
One, two, three, four. Doom tek tek doom tek doom tek tek doom tek.
No, this is. No.
No, Kobe.
Не можна. Міса. Не можна. Не можна. Не можна.
What?
Come on. Get some food. Eat some food. Come on. Naya! You just ate that again. Okay. Stop.
No, God.
Naya.
It's not food either.